Smart positioning is a critical part of motorcycle safety. Here are 5 reasons why stopping directly behind a vehicle can put you at risk. Number 1, limited escape routes. If you're boxed in behind a car, especially in traffic, you lose the ability to quickly swerve or lane filter in case of an emergency, like a rear end collision or a vehicle rolling backward. Number 2, risk of getting rear-ended. Drivers approaching from behind may not see you, especially if you're obscured by the vehicle in front. Stopping offset improves visibility and gives you space to react if someone's barreling towards you from behind. Number 3, rollback danger. Many drivers don't realize their cars can roll back slightly when starting from a stop, especially on inclines. If you're too close, you could end up taking a bumper to the front tire, or worse, to your body. Number 4, reduced visibility to other drivers. Being directly behind a larger vehicle can hide you from surrounding traffic, increasing the chance another driver won't notice your presence and might merge or turn into your path. Number 5, less situational awareness. If you're following too closely, you might not see road hazards ahead like debris, potholes, or fluid spills until it's too late. Stopping offset allows a clearer line of sight through the windows or around the vehicle ahead. Vision is one of the best tools you have for riding a motorcycle safely. It allows you to gain information as quickly as possible, process that information in your brain, and then make smart decisions to avoid dangerous spots. But what do you think? Are there any other reasons you shouldn't stop directly behind the car in front of you? Let us know in the comments. Like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.